Welcome, in front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and in this video I will show you how to fix the problem if you can't access your device through your screen lock pattern. Now first of all, try to memorize the pattern that worked for you the last time and check if it works for you now. And if it doesn't, maybe your phone is lagging or some third-party application blocking your access, and in such case what you have to do is hold down the power key, then hold down the power off option and click OK to reboot to safe mode. Then wait until your phone is restarted and you access the safe mode, and in safe mode again let's try to enter the screen lock pattern and unlock this device. Now once your phone restarts, you will see this safe mode sign in the bottom left corner. Try to enter the pattern that worked for you the last time, and if you succeeded, then go to the settings, then select security and privacy, select device unlocking, screen lock, confirm, and select none, remove, and afterwards restart your phone by holding the power key, restart, and then try accessing your device in the normal mode. This time it should work, but if you didn't succeed entering your password in the safe mode, then in such case the best solution would be to try and reach out to VIVO customer support service, telling them about your issue, and if you have the proof of ownership of your smartphone, you can show it to them, and in this case they will most likely help you recover the access to your phone without removing your personal data. Now if you can't use this option, then you can perform a factory reset operation. Now to do that, you can either use recovery mode. Now if you don't know how to enter recovery mode on this phone or how to use it, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on this VIVO X200 FE. So if you need this video, go ahead and watch it, and after performing a factory reset, you'll be able to set up your device again, but this will of course remove all your personal data and files from your phone. And the next option is also a factory reset, but it's a remote factory reset, so you don't have to use any recovery modes. You just have to have the Google account connected to your phone. If you have Google account connected to your phone, then use this email that is used in your account to access Find Hub service by Google. So look up Find Hub using any other device, then log in to Find Hub using your email address that is connected to this phone, and then select this device on the list, select factory reset, and once the reset is done, you'll be able to access your device once again. And these are all of the options that you have, and I hope that my advice helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.